Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're going to do a review on a few things that I got for Dusty Rose, our German Shepherd dog puppy. Some of the things that we've gotten for her and how we've upgraded a little things for winter since she's in this porch most of the time when she's not in the house, when we go anywhere at night when she sleeps, and when we're cooking, and anytime we don't have time to handle a mischievous puppy, she's in this room. But this room does not have any extra heat. The heat that comes in this room, it comes from her or from these rooms around it. It has no heat in itself. And so what we've done is we had a crate for her, and she would not go. For the longest time, she would not go into this crate. She just didn't like it at all. She would not go into it. And then you couldn't even force her in. And then I got this new bed, which is a, supposed to be chew resistance because she chews everything up. And it zip ties to the bottom of the floor, so she has not been able to get it out. And ever since I put this in here, she has been in this crate almost constantly. Whenever we look out the door, out the window to see, because there's a door here, and it leads into the kitchen. And when I look out, she's in the crate. And we also have a heating pad underneath the crate, and we got that set for 100 degrees, and it warms up. It's on a timer. It repeats itself, or you can leave it 24 hours, or you can turn it on for how many hours you want. I've got it set for 18 hours right now, and then that way it's warm all through the night, most of the morning. In the afternoon, it gives the heating pad a rest, and it's usually warmer in here that she doesn't need the heating pad. And it's getting super, super cold this week. Supposed to get down into the single digits. So I added this insulated cover over the top of it. Now we don't close the door at night for her. We let her come in and out because this, like I said, this is her room. But if you did close the door, this flap here zips and comes down in front. So it's completely enclosed. And there's vents here on the sides, on both sides, for air to circulate in. And I got this one. No, just one on that side. I'm sorry. Just one on that side, none on this side. So between that, making it a little bit warmer, is insulating it, keeping it a little bit warmer, keeping her body heat in there, plus the heat from the heating pad, has worked out really, really well. And then we had a heater in here, but I didn't like it because I loved it, but I didn't like it. If it worked correctly, I would have loved it. But it did not work correctly. It's supposed to cycle on and off when it hits a certain temperature. And I set it for 59 degrees, like it said, followed all the directions, and the thing never shut off. It just kept going and going and going. It got like 80 degrees in here with that thing going. And that was way too hot. So we exchanged it for this one. And this one seems to be working okay, knock on wood. At least it's cycling on and off for me. And it's keeping it at the desired temperature, which is around 50 to 56 degrees. And she's so far, knock on wood, has left it be. So that is an update on how we've kept things for Dusty Rose. It's turning stuff on. How we've kept things for her a little bit warmer in here, a little bit more comfortable. She's still getting used to it. Why is that thing turning on? But she's doing okay. She's not bothering it. She started to pull on the cover at first, and I told her no, it was mine, not hers. And watched her for, maybe a half hour, telling her no, and telling her to leave it. And she's been doing really well ever since that, haven't you, girl? Yeah. So hopefully this will keep her warm at night when she's in here sleeping. And like I said, during the day, she's either outside a little bit. We usually take her out for about an hour and a half a day outside training. Plus we train in here. We train in the front room when it's really cold. And she spends the evenings as much as possible with us in the front room before she has to go to bed. So we're working out. She's still a little bit nippy. So till we get this nipping taken care of, she's going to spend more time in here. So those are the upgrades that we've done with her. And so far I've been pleased with all of them. Especially with that bed. She would not go into the crate at all until we got it. And she really has made a difference in her. She's even allowing us to shut the door now when she's in there, which she would not do before. So now the only thing is to get her to eat better. She's a very picky eater. Has to have water on it, and then she still sometimes doesn't eat it. So, we're trying new dog food. The vet recommended Purina large breed puppy chow, which we are still feeding, but I've also added some Blue Buffalo puppy chow on top of it, just kind of enhance her to eat, and it's worked to a point. We just started it yesterday. So she wants to exercise first and then come in and eat, and I always want her to wait a little bit before she eats, and we're working on it. So like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye.